Curious about the difference between clean keto and dirty keto? Let's break it down. Clean keto emphasizes whole, nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, avocados, wild-caught fish, grass-fed meats, and healthy oils. The focus is on fueling your body with high-quality ingredients while keeping carbs low. Dirty keto, however, prioritizes macronutrient ratios, high fat, low carb, moderate protein, without regard for food quality. This means processed meats, cheese slices, fast food patties, and artificial sweeteners are acceptable as long as carb limits are met. Clean keto often supports better overall health, more stable energy levels, and improved digestion due to its emphasis on micronutrients and fiber. Dirty keto may promote rapid weight loss, but can increase inflammation, cholesterol, and cravings because of processed foods. While clean keto is more sustainable for long-term health and wellness, dirty keto might appeal to those seeking quick results or convenience. Ultimately, clean keto suits those focused on lasting health benefits, whereas dirty keto fits those prioritizing simplicity and speed. Choose the approach that aligns best with your lifestyle and goals.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for future uploads.